amount are. Let's just show you the amount of play in the Cutlass bearing.
We don't need to talk.
That's the vibration you can hear when the engine's turning.
Go on, keep wagging. That'll do.
So here we are. We're going to make our prop puller. So we need to visit the boat to take the propeller off its shaft to enable us to replace the Cutlass bearing, which was the vibration that we detected last year. Now the boat's been lifted, I've had a chance to examine it. The Cutlass bearing is definitely worn out. Now the Bruntons Auto-prop that we have, Bruntons do sell a proprietary puller for the propeller, but it's a lot of money and I don't have one here. It's a bank holiday weekend, so I'm not going to get one in a hurry. So what we're going to have to do is manufacture one. So what I have here is a piece of gash plate, which is going to be the basis of the puller. I've got a fairly meaty sized bolt, which again is going to be part of the puller. So what we need to do is to create a machined end on the bolt so that we can use the machined end as a subtle connection between the prop shaft, which we don't need to damage, and the puller attachment itself. So first things first, here we are set up in the Oxford lathe. We've got the bolt head through the main chuck, so all we've got is the thread hanging out of there. So I'm now going to attempt to machine the part that we set. A little bit tricky, this holding the camera and doing everything in one hit, but we'll see what we can do. Hopefully this is going to show you basically what we're trying to achieve. As you can hear, we're cutting, but I haven't got it. The next part of the process is to, as you can see, I've passed the bolt through our plates. There's our machined end, is to actually anchor the nut to the plate so that the pulling or pushing motion of our puller is effective, because without that nut being anchored, then it's not going to work as a puller. There'll just be too much free play. So we're going to crank up the MIG. As you can see, hopefully I can unscrew the bolt and the puller. Then all that needs is the final attachment holes.
You're going to give it a waggle.
I'm hoping the bugger's loose anyway.
Will be.